its advanced AI laser navigation precisely cleans row by row, while avoiding objects day or night. And now, with Ultra Clean Mode, you can target and deep clean single rooms, high traffic zones, and specific spots. Ultra Clean Mode combines powerful suction with a multi-directional cleaning pattern to deep clean areas that need it most. The Shark AI robot also features a bagless HEPA self-empty base that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens for up to 2 months. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. This is where cleaning power meets cleaning intelligence.
Got the Roomba itself. This is sitting on the clean base automatic dirt disposal, which is also its charging base. You've got one power cord to the charging base itself to keep your robot nice and charged. We've got one extra high efficiency filter. One will already be inserted in the robot itself, along with one extra dirt disposable bag. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, know that our tangle-free rubber brushes, along with our specially designed edge brush, are going to be able to allow Roomba to clean any type of floor that you have in your home. That's right, carpets, tile, whatever you got, Roomba can handle. Plus, Roomba can get into all those hard to reach areas like under your entertainment center, under the table, and even under your bed. With our patented dirt detect technology, know that Roomba's going to focus clean where it's needed the most. So underneath the bed where it might be the dirtiest because it's hard to reach, know that Roomba's going to be able to focus on that area before moving off to another. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with other robotic vacuum brands. Have a larger home, multiple kids, pets, maybe all of the above? It's not a problem. It now includes our intelligent imprint smart mapping, where you get to pick and choose when and where you want Roomba to go clean in your home. Maybe you just want to clean the master bedroom and the dining room, and they're on the opposite ends of the house. Roomba's going to take off, do those rooms in the order that you chose, and then return home right after. If Roomba's bin fills up before the job is complete, know that Roomba's going to travel home to the clean base, empty its bin, charge its battery if needed, and then pick up right where it left off, and then continue to do this until the job is complete. That dirt and debris that Roomba picks up during its cleaning missions will be emptied into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. That means no cloud of dust when you go to empty it. Simply open the lid to the clean base here, pull the tab up, pull the bag out, throw this used bag in the trash. Go ahead and grab a new bag to replace it with, and slide it on into the clean base here. It's that clean and simple. With imprint link technology, you know that Roomba's gonna vacuum first, and when it's finished, it's gonna tell BravoJet M6, it's your turn. BravoJet M6 is gonna go out and mop your floors. This is gonna give you that total home floor cleaning that we all want. The great thing about the iRobot Home app with the Roomba i3 Plus Evo is that you can tell your robot to clean on demand, set a repeating schedule, or simply tell Google or Alexa enabled devices to have your Roomba go clean all the rooms or a specific room. Which, that reminds me, Alexa, can you tell Roomba i3 Plus Evo to clean the kitchen, please?
Okay, I'll tell Evo to vacuum the kitchen.